Hi, welcome back to my channel. Imagine this, you have 200 files in your folder, scattered across different folders. You need to organize them. Normally, this will take you a few hours, but what if I told you there's an AI chat can do this automatically just by telling it what you want? Today, I'm gonna show you Claude Cowork, an AI that can actually access your files, read them, edit them, and organize them all by itself. This is not another chatbot. This is an AI agent that works directly with your computer. Let's see how it works. So what exactly is Claude Cowork? Think of it as an AI assistant that can actually touch your files. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude Chat, which can only read what you upload, Cowork can access your folder you specify, read files, edit them, create new ones, and organize everything automatically. You just tell it what you want in plain English and figure out how to do it. For example, you can say, organize all the files in my download folder by type, and Cowork will read all the files, categorize them, create folder, and moving everything into the right place, all without you touching a single file. Now, here's the interesting part. Cowork actually evolved from Claude Code, which was originally built for app developers, but the team realized why should only developers get to use AI agents? So they create Cowork, the same powerful agent technology, but designed for everyone. No terminal commands, no coding knowledge, like chat with it, you would with ChatGPT. It does the work. And now you might thinking, oh, ChatGPT cannot do it? The answer is no, and here's why. Traditional AI chatbot like ChatGPT, it only works with you upload from here and cannot access your file system like local file, and it requires you to manually do everything. But instead of ChatGPT or other AI chatbot, Cowork will work directly your files and can access folder you specify, execute tasks automatically, plan and execute multiple steps automatically. The key difference, Cowork learns locally on your computer and has direct access to your file system with your permission. Of course, this means it can work with your actual files, not just copies you upload. Think of it this way. If traditional AI chatbot like consultant giving you advice over the phone, Cowork is like having a capable assistant sitting right next to you at your desk. Someone who actually reach into your filing cabinet, organize your document, and even build tools for you. That's a key difference. And third, if you already have Claude Code app but don't see Cowork tab in here, here's what to do. Since Cowork just announced, you might need to update your app to latest version. Go to the menu bar here and click here. Check for I already updated Claude desktop app. So if you are not, you might have seen check for updates or simply quit and restart app. After updating, Cowork tab should appear right next to the chat core tab once you are on the latest version. If you are still not seeing it after updating, double check that you are a Claude Max plan or Pro plan. Also, keep in mind, Cowork is currently in research preview, which means it's still being refined and improved. Once you have everything set up, you're ready to go. And now there are one more important thing before we start the demos. Cowork can directly modify your files, so it's crucial to take some safety precautions. First, always back up before you start. If you're working with important files, make copy first. That way, if something goes wrong, you can always restore them. Second, use dedicated folder. Instead of working directly on your actual files, create a separate folder for testing. Copy your file there, let Cowork work on them, and once you're happy with the results, you can apply the same process to your real files. This is especially important when you were first learning how Cowork works. Third, be specified with your instructions. The clearly you about what you want. the better result you will get. Vague instructions can lead to unexpected results. Remember, Cowork is powerful, but it's still in research preview. So always test on copies first, not your originals. With that in mind, let's see the actions. Okay, so let's start with something practical, organizing a messy folder. I've created a test folder and copy about 150 files, including CSV file and GIF and PDF zip file, and all mixed together. This is a safe environment to test Cowork's capability. Normally, organizing this would take me at least 30 minutes, but with Cowork, you can just select folder from here and choose demo 1. For example, me, demo messy downloads. Select this one and tear it and you can say organizing these files by type into separate folder. And that's it. Hit this button and that's it. Cowork reads all the files, identify their types, create folders like PDFs, images, documents, and move everything automatically. Let me show you. It shows me it planned before executing, so I can see what it's going to do and also how progress it is. That's it. So let me check this folder. See, under demo 1 messy downloads folder, there are multiple folders divided by tags, archives, documents, images, PDFs, presentation, spreadsheet. That's it. You just need in about 30 seconds. Everything is organized. And the best part, it actually understands the content of files, not just their extension. It can categorize things more intelligently than a simple script. Okay, next, let's do something more complex, creating an expense report from screenshots. I'm working in a dedicated test folder with copy of my receipt image. Like here, as you can see, there are some receipt in here. I have 2 screenshots of receipt and invoice in the folder. Normally, I would have to open each image, type the amount, enter the date, categorize everything, create a spreadsheet. This will take me at least 1 hour or 2 hours. But with Cowork, I just say open Cowork, and it's the same way. In new task, select folder, choose another different folder, and choose this one, and create an expense report spreadsheet from all the screenshots in this folder. That's it. And hit this button. Cowork read all the images, extracts the amounts, date, and vendors, creates a properly formatted Excel file, organize everything by category. As you can see, this process also showed how progress it is. Now it's reading receipt screenshots. Cowork is reading every receipt and now verifying spreadsheet. Cowork verifies spreadsheet data directly with Pandas library. Done! In almost 1 minute, I have a complete expense report and it's accurate. Open the CSV file. See, you can check one by one. See, first report 1 is 891 Japanese yen. It's correct. Receipt 2, 799 Japanese yen is correct. All correct. It's accurate. It actually reads the text from the images, not just guess. Okay, so finally, let's create a report from scattered notes. I've set up a test folder like this with 15 different text files, copies of my meeting notes, idea, and research scattered across different folders. Normally, I'd have to open each file, copy and paste relevant parts, organize everything, write the report. This will take me 2 or 3 hours. As you can see, here is I have marketing ideas and also product idea and project idea. So with Cowork, open new task and select different folder. Next is this one, open, and just say create a report draft from all the notes in these folders organized by topic, and hit this button. It starts running the same way. Cowork find all relevant files, read and understand the content, identifies key theme, create a structured report with sections, even add a summary. In about 3 minutes, I have a complete first draft. We can check this. Wow, it's cool, right? You can check the first draft. And also, if you wanna fix more deeply, you can ask Cowork again, and also you can fix manually in here. So that's Claude Cowork, an AI that can actually work with your files. Let's quickly recap what we covered. First is file organization, from chaos to order in minutes. Second, expense reports, from screenshot to spreadsheet automatically. And third, report generation, from scattered notes to a structured document. The key takeaway: Cowork is not just another AI tool. It's an agent that can actually execute tasks on your computer. And in the world where we are drawing in the files and the data, having an AI that actually organizes and process them is a game changer. But if you are someone who deals with a lot of files, documents, and data, this could save you hours every week. Go try it for yourself. Automate the boring stuff, focus on what matters, and see how much faster you can work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to put like, subscribe, and comment which AI tools you would like me to review next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.